Casement window installation in Fort Worth, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement window styles Fort Worth offers, residents can select from vinyl casement windows Fort Worth, wood casement windows Fort Worth, and aluminum casement windows Fort Worth to match their home's design. Energy-efficient casement windows Fort Worth are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort, making them a smart investment for any property. Custom casement windows Fort Worth provide a tailored solution for unique architectural needs, allowing homeowners to choose specific casement window sizes and casement window designs. The benefits of casement window replacement Fort Worth include improved insulation and increased property value. Casement window experts in Fort Worth can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best casement window brands for your needs. Casement window replacement Fort Worth services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular casement window maintenance Fort Worth, including casement window cleaning and casement window sealing, can extend the lifespan of your windows. Casement window hardware Fort Worth, such as casement window locks and casement window hinges, should be inspected regularly to ensure security and ease of use. Double-glazed casement windows Fort Worth are an excellent choice for those seeking additional insulation and noise reduction. These energy-efficient casement windows Fort Worth can significantly lower heating and cooling costs. Casement window screens Fort Worth are another important feature, providing ventilation while keeping insects out. Casement window insulation Fort Worth is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. The cost of casement window installation Fort Worth varies depending on the materials and features selected. Casement window cost Fort Worth can be influenced by the choice of vinyl casement windows, wood casement windows, or aluminum casement windows. Casement window features Fort Worth, such as custom designs and energy-efficient options, can also impact the overall price. Consulting with casement window experts Fort Worth can help you find the best solution within your budget. Casement window services Fort Worth offer comprehensive solutions for all your window needs, from installation to replacement and maintenance. Fort Worth casement window installation professionals are skilled in ensuring a perfect fit and finish for your new windows. Casement window replacement Fort Worth is a wise investment for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and energy efficiency. With a wide range of casement windows Fort Worth available, you can find the perfect match for your home. In conclusion, casement window installation Fort Worth provides numerous benefits, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced aesthetics, and increased property value. Whether you choose vinyl casement windows Fort Worth, wood casement windows Fort Worth, or aluminum casement windows Fort Worth, you can trust the expertise of local professionals to deliver exceptional results. Regular casement window maintenance Fort Worth, including cleaning and sealing, will ensure your windows remain in top condition for years to come.